How to change your Threads username. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to change your Threads username. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to do that, what we need to do is to head over to Threads, and once we're in there, just need to click on this profile icon right here in the bottom, and as you can see, here is my username. So if I want to change that, what we need to do is just click on this edit profile right here. And when we click on our name right here with our username, as you can see, this will appear, and this thinks that your name and username are synced with Instagram. So what we need to do is to head over to Instagram and change it from there. So just click on this X right here, and then click on the Instagram icon right here. So click on that, and then as you can see, it has redirected us to Instagram. So if we want to change the username, let's click on edit profile right here, and then in here you can see my username. So for example, I want to change it into Tiara Princess 99, and then click on check right here. As you can see, it is changing, so just click on this check again, and this will load. And when you refresh it, as you can see, our username has changed. So let's head over again to Threads, and let's refresh it. As you can see, my username also changed in this. So as of right now, there is still no way in order to change your Threads username through the Threads app itself without changing it in Instagram. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you how to change your Threads username. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to change your Threads username. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.